such a great person,
Continue,
Mr.
continue.
T. Srinivasan. Thank you, sir, to accept our invitation in spite of so busy schedule. I am really obliged, and really we are feeling blessed with God to have given an opportunity to hear some important words from you. Actually, sir, record is so much that it cannot be explained in 2 minutes. But sir, I have tried to highlight some points, some great achievements. First of all, sir, very great achievement is he's the founder president of Life Underwriters Guild of India from year 2015 onwards. It is an association which train agents, DO, branch manager to enhance their marketing skill. Sir was also the chairman of Asian Pacific Financial Service Association for 2 years. Sir is continue MDRT agent from year 1988 to 215 and attend all the MDRT conventions all over the world. Means across all over the world, he has attended all the conventions. He is a COT agent 6 times and many more achievements. Sir, we cannot explain it in 2 minutes. Sir, I have left some important.
Huh?
I have left some important.
No. This is more than sufficient. Don't worry.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
sir.
you.
Right. Your English is very beautiful.
Thank you.
Nice. Very nice to hear.
Thank you. Thank you.
Your pronunciation is excellent.
Thank
God bless
you.
you. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, and thank you, Namrata ji. Or now the stage is hand over to Srinivasan sir. जोरदार तालियों से श्रीनिवासन सर को बुलाया जाए. जोरदार तालियां.
Thank you, Mr. Surendra Chandak. Am I pronounced it correctly? Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Exactly.
And Namrata, who has introduced me, and all our good friends here. I am delighted. I was very happy when I received invitation from our good Chandak ji. I told him I will speak in simple English, word by word, so that those who know little English can easily understand. Whenever I use some difficult word, I request Mrs. Namrata to translate in Hindi. So you can keep yourself, you need not get muted. I think Namrata can help me. Is she hearing me?
हाँ. तेरा आवाज नहीं आ रहा.
Okay.
आवाज कर. बात कर वहां से.
Okay, she can just help me by translating any difficult words. Okay, I will proceed.
Hello.
Yes, you kindly help me whenever I need small translation. Can you do?
Yes, sir, sure.
Keep it open.
Okay.
See, your future.
इससे बोलो.
No. Whenever I ask you, come to my help, Namrata. Till then, I will speak. Your future depends on the power of your habits.
श्रीनिवासन जी, मैंने आपको सभी को म्यूट किया है, तो आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट करके बात कीजिए.
Okay, I think.
Continue.
So your future depends on the power of your habits. Habits only decides your success. What is habits? I will tell you. You can undergo training. You can attend seminars. You can attend MDRT. All these things cannot help you to succeed unless you have self-discipline. Let me add some a few. What is self-discipline? Simple thing. I should do what is good for me, whether I like it or not. I will repeat it. I should do what is good for me, whether I like it or not. Next, I should not do what is not good to me, however much I like it. Let me repeat.
लास्ट
I-
लाइन सर नहीं समझा सर.
I will repeat it.
हाँ
Second.
हाँ लास्ट लाइन.
I should not do what is not good for me, however much I like it. Simply, you should have control over you. Your subconscious mind will accept your directions. I will repeat. Your subconscious mind will accept your directions, and subconscious mind will help you to do disciplined things to achieve success. This is the basis of self-discipline. Without you see any politician, whether it is a Prime Minister of India or any other thing, basic quality is self-discipline. So remember my quote. That is very, very important. My quote, self-discipline is doing what is good to me, whether I like it or not. Self-discipline is I should not do what is not good to me, however I like. This, let it go deep into your mind. This is the basic structure of my speech.
नम्रता जी इनको ट्रांसलेट कर दो थोड़ा सा.
Yes, please.
हेलो.
Yes, madam.
सर का ये बोलना है कि अपना जो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड रहता है, यानी सबसे पहले जो भी, जैसे लास्ट टाइम स्पीकर ने बोला था कि मेंटेलिटी, पहले मेंटेलिटी बनाओ उसकी, तो दैट इज ओनली सर इज एक्सप्लेनिंग, इजंट इट सर?
Yes, I am able to understand.
Okay.
Correct. So I will slowly talk, Namrata ji. You can make a note of it.
हाँ,
Okay,
हाँ.
okay, sir.
क्योंकि कैसा है कि इंश्योरेंस एजेंट है सर, सभी तरह के एजुकेशन लेके आए हुए हैं, तो
हमारा ध्यान ही नहीं था.
इंजीनियर वगैरह इस तरह के नहीं है. कोई 10वीं है, कोई 12वीं है, कोई ग्रेजुएट है, तो उनके माइंड में जाना चाहिए कि आपको जो लैंड करना है, जो उनको देना है. तो इसलिए मैंने बिन पगारी ट्रांसलेटर रखा है अपने पास में.
Yo, thanks a lot. I told you self-discipline. Number 2, self-confidence. You should have self-confidence. That is very, very, very important. You should believe that you can do. You should believe that you can do. You should believe that you will do. You should believe that you can do. So, self-confidence is nothing. To believe I will do. To believe I can do. To believe I am going to do. If you repeatedly say this, what happens? Your subconscious mind accepts it. Oh, this gentleman or this lady wants to do top of the table. Subconscious mind accepts you. Then subconscious mind gives ideas to you. Simple thing. So I will, second is self-confidence. Namrata ji, what is the translation for self-confidence in Hindi?
आत्मविश्वास सर.
Very good. You can tell it.
कंटिन्यू पूरा कंट्रोल, उन्होंने जो बताया सबका ट्रांसलेशन बताओ.
उन्होंने बोला कि अपने आप पर कॉन्फिडेंस रखो, दैट हम लोग कर सकते हैं और हम करेंगे, हम लोग टीओटी होंगे, दैट यू शुड डू इट. सॉरी, अपने माइंड में ये चीज कॉन्फिडेंसली तैयार करना है कि हम लोग ये टीओटी करेंगे ही. Isn't it, sir?
Yes. You know good English. So it is. So, first I told you self-discipline. Second, I told you self-confidence. Third, self-improvement. Friends, we are not tomorrow what you are today. Let me repeat. We will not be, we are not today what will be tomorrow, or tomorrow we will not be the same way in which you are today. There is a change. Millions of cells in our body dies. Millions of cells fresh generated. So you are not the same person today, tomorrow. So you should not be the same person tomorrow, this what you are today. You must learn something every day. You must read something every day. You must do something differently every day. See the magic of life. Change, change, change. Change is only one thing permanent. All other things are temporary.
नम्रता जी बताओ क्या बोला था उन्होंने.
Yes.
हम जो आज है जरूरी नहीं हम वो कल रहेंगे, क्योंकि हमारे बॉडी में, सर आई डोंट नो हिंदी वर्ड फॉर सेल. एनीबॉडी नो?
No, you mean in our body, billions of
हाँ,
सेल को सेल ही बोलते हैं.
हाँ,
blood cells, red
ब्लड
cells,
सेल्स. हाँ.
white cells. Am I
yes,
correct?
yes, yes, yes. तो सेल्स में चेंजेस होते रहते हैं, तो उस वजह से जरूरी नहीं है कि आज जो लाइफ है वही हमारा लाइफ कल रहेगा.
So you accept change.
Huh.
Those who accept change succeed in life. You can translate, Namrata.
जो चेंज यानी बदलाव को जो एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, यानी बदलाव जो लेते हैं, उनकी लाइफ आगे चेंज हो सकती है.
Very good. Thank you. See, let me illustrate a small thing. Self-confidence. Suppose in your house, you put a wooden plank. You know wooden plank. What do you call, Namrata? Wooden plank. Can you translate? Namrata? I think she has muted. Okay.
हेलो. हाँ, माइक ऑन करना. हाँ.
Pardon, sir, pardon.
Madam, you know wooden plank. If you wooden made of wood,
हाँ,
a plank, lengthy plank.
पटली,
Are you able to understand?
लकड़ी की पटली.
Lengthy wooden plank.
हाँ,
blank.
लकड़ा लकड़ा ना सर.
If you keep it in your house, 30 feet length,
हाँ,
3 feet breadth. Understand?
yes.
हाँ.
30
You
फीट
can-
चौड़ा, 3
you
फीट
can-
लंबा.
You can walk on it easily. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Not at all difficult. But if you take this wooden plank or wooden board to Bombay, 2 building, put it there, can you walk?
No.
No.
गिर जाएंगे
Why?
ऊपर से.
Why? Same length of wooden board, because your fear do not allow you to walk there. Do you agree?
Yes, yes. ऊपर से चढ़ेंगे तो गिर जाएंगे, गिरने के डर से वो
हाँ.
चलेंगे नहीं उस पे.
Fear.
Fear, yes. डरना, गिरने का
We
डर.
are all suffering from fear of failure.
वाह, बहुत बढ़िया सर, बहुत बढ़िया.
Fear of failure.
मस्त.
Our greatest problem is whether I will succeed or not. Whether my client will be there or not. So, our fear, our suspicion, problem. Simply, I tell one more thing. I went to Canada, Niagara 5 times. In Niagara, you know, water is coming down about 800 feet. You know the volume of water? 16 lakhs cubics of water. On that falls, I saw a man walking from one end to another end on a rope. On a rope with a small wooden to balance. He is also a human being. You are also a human being. I am also a human being. That gentleman don't have fear. He has killed this fear. Our fear kills us. Understand it? Namrata, can you translate my last sentence?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
हाँ.
एक आदमी जो रस्सी पे चलता है, साइड में 2 लकड़ी लगी रहती है, तो वो अपने डर को मार चुका रहता है, तो रस्सी पे इजीली चढ़ चुका रहता है. इवन हम भी एक इंसान है, लेकिन हमको डर मार चुका रहता है, इसलिए हम लोग वो लेवल तक के जा नहीं पाते. इवन मतलब हर सक्सेसफुल आदमी भी एक ह्यूमन बीइंग है, वो रस्सी पे चलने वाला भी एक ह्यूमन बीइंग है, हम भी एक ह्यूमन बीइंग है, बट डिफरेंस इज वो अपने डर को मार चुका रहता है और हम नहीं मार चुके. हमको डर ने मार चुका है.
One more sentence I tell you translate. That gentleman killed fear. The fear kills us in our insurance profession. You can translate it.
आई एक्सप्लेन सर कि उस आदमी ने अपने डर को मार दिया है और हमको डर मार देता है हमारे प्रोफेशन में.
You understand? Very good.
Yes, yes.
Let me add one more important concept. Don't be afraid to try. Don't be afraid to try and fail. Most of us are afraid to ask because we will fail. Most of us are not willing to ask insurance because fear that he will not give insurance to us. So don't be afraid to try and fail. People are afraid to ask because they are afraid to fail. But let me say one thing. Never fail to try. Never fail to try. I will simply say, since you are afraid of asking because of failure, remember, failure is the dangerous thing that affects you. So never fail to try. Continuously try. Continuously try. Imagine some of the politicians, they fail in election. They lose the election, but they don't lose the confidence. They succeed next. So, important thing is, and to illustrate it very effectively, I will give one important example. See, statistics say that 59% of the agents ask only once insurance from one client. Let me repeat, 59% of the agents ask only once with a client. If he doesn't give, they drop, they don't go and meet him.
59% लोग सिर्फ इंश्योरेंस के लिए एक ही बार पूछते हैं, और उन्होंने अगर नहीं दिया तो उसको छोड़ देते हैं.
Yes. Okay. So 24% ask 2 times. Our agent friends, 24% ask 2 times. And 16% ask 3 times.
24% 2 बार बोलते हैं और 16% सिर्फ 3 बार बोलते हैं.
12% 4 times. 12% of the agents only go 4 times. Remember, only 5% out of 100 go 5 times.
12% चौथी बार पूछते हैं, 5% 5 बार पूछते हैं.
Limbra, an educational organization in America, gave statistics that those 5% of the agents who meet more than 5 times their clients get 60% of the total insurance.
ये 5% लोग ही इंश्योरेंस का 60% अपने पास में लेकर आते हैं.
So remember that 5% only get 60% because they ask more than 5 times.
अजून कमी देते असे.
Because they ask more than 5 times.
Sir, I have muted all participants. You unmute yourself and
Okay,
then
now I'm. So remember, you should be in the category of 5%. Understand?
5
All
बार
of us.
पूछने वाले कैटेगरी में हमने रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि 5% इंश्योरेंस एजेंट ही जो है 60% इंश्योरेंस का बिजनेस लेके जाते हैं.
So remember, hereafter, don't stop asking once. Don't stop asking 2 times. Don't asking 3 times. Don't stop asking 4 times. Ask effectively
5 times
and more.
and more.
Any number of times. What I want to say, nothing wrong. I will tell you, I have never failed in my life to get insurance from anybody, however the person is taskman. I will win. I am born to win. I will win. I am born
to win. Last time, sir, our participant Rameshji Damani also said the same thing. I will speak about insurance every time, मैं हर बार ग्राहक को इंश्योरेंस के बारे में बात करता ही हूँ। ग्राहक बोलता है कि यार कितने बार तुम इंश्योरेंस की बात करेंगे, फिर भी मैं बोलता हूँ कि जब तक आप पॉलिसी नहीं लेंगे मैं बात करते रहूंगा।
Yes.
I can talk every time about insurance.
Yes, yes, yes. Very important thing
कुमुदिनी
is,
मैडम लास्ट टाइम बोला था ना।
and
यस
one important thing is, one question was asked in Mumbai about 15 years back. One question was asked at 10:30. Last question. One lady asked me, "What is the greatest disappointment in your life? What is the greatest disappointment in your life?" Can you understand the word disappointment?
यस यस निराशा।
Right. That was the question to me at 10:30 night. My reply was, please note, all disappointments, all discouragements, all insults, all humiliations, all failures are forgotten by me on day-to-day basis. I don't carry for tomorrow morning.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत वंडरफुल सर, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया।
You
जो
can
भी
translate.
डिसअपॉइंटमेंट है, जो भी निराशा है, जो भी परेशानी है, मैं डे टू डे बेसिस पे उसको खत्म कर देता हूँ, मैं नेक्स्ट डे पे कैरी नहीं करता हूँ। आई एम राइट सर?
Yes.
तो हाउ यू कैन डू इट एंड हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल दैट यू
I
कैन
will-
फॉरगेट इन द नाइट?
No, I will tell you.
यानी कौन सी गोली आप खाते हो तो हमें भी बताओ।
I will tell you the secret.
हाँ, सीक्रेट एंड द गोली।
When you go to bed,
यस
our weakness is we always think about that day's failures, that day's disappointments, that day's insults. When you go to your bed thinking about it, then tomorrow morning you are having it. Do you know what I do? I think of happy things happen on that day.
यस बढ़िया।
One check collection, satisfied, happy day. One friend I met, talk to him, happy day. So what I do, I don't remember, recollect failures, disappointments. I recollect happiness, success, friendship. I go to bed listening to beautiful music, Carnatic music or Hindustani music. I just enjoy. Next day morning, I am fresh.
सर लेकिन ये जो फेलियर्स है वो कहीं ना कहीं माइंड में आते रहते हैं एंड दे आर पॉपअप के जैसा फेलियर्स एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर कमिंग इन फ्रंट। तो उसको खत्म कैसे करें? यू टोल्ड दैट you remember the music and all that, but these are pop-ups.
Yes, I remember only good things. I don't remember failures. And before going to bed, never see television. Before going to bed, listen to good music. See, you will have a comfortable sleep. Then, to enjoy our insurance profession, you must be fit physically, mentally, emotionally. To be a successful agent, you must be fit mentally, physically, emotionally. Let me explain. Physical. I will explain how physical means. Remember, your body is your temple. Your body is your temple.
I am muting you, sir. You can unmute yourself.
Yes. Your body is your temple. You should keep your body clean because God has given this temple to you. The temple has been given by the God. Keep it clean. Why this problem of corona? If you keep your mouth, if you keep your nose clean, you will never get corona. You will never get any lung problem or anything. So, fundamentally, for success of an insurance agent, physically fit, I am 83 plus today.
Oh,
Still, I am doing half an hour walking. Still, I am doing half an hour yoga. At the age of 83, I can bend my body in any manner as you want. You can translate, Ji? Can you translate it?
83 के एज में भी आज मैं योगा भी करता हूँ, आधा घंटा वॉक भी करता हूँ, और जिस तरह से मैं चाहूँ उस तरह से वो बॉडी को फ्लेक्सिबल भी है मेरी बॉडी.
Your body, if you continue to keep body under your control, mind will be under your control. So, to keep a good, successful person, physically and mentally, mind, you should not have any confused thoughts. Why problem with your mind? If you cheat anybody, if you say lie to anybody, if you do something harm to anybody, what happens? Your mind is loaded with wrong things, polluted matters.
अगर
Then-
आपने किसी को चीट किया, कुछ रॉन्ग किया है किसी के साथ, तो तुम्हारा माइंड तुम्हें सोने नहीं देगा, इसलिए ये सब मत करो.
My dear friends, personal integrity is very, very important in insurance. Personal integrity is very, very important in insurance. If you are not honest with your clients, you will never succeed as a successful agent. I am telling you on the basis of my 62 years, 61 years of insurance agency in this profession. I joined in the year 1961 as an agent. Today, 2021, I am still a successful agent because
बढ़िया सर,
I am honest.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. इतना लंबा करियर सर, हमारे लोगों की जितनी उम्र नहीं है उतना आपका इंश्योरेंस का करियर है. और एज इज नॉट उतनी जितनी आपकी इंश्योरेंस का करियर है. नम्रता जी ट्रांसलेट करो इसको, क्या बोलते तो.
Sir, an age is not equivalent to your insurance career.
करियर, यस.
For information, when chairman was addressing the Zoom meeting of Lugi, he told, I did not born when Srinivasan took up an agency.
यस सर.
So,
राइट.
I am proving to all of you, you can live long life with happiness, with good health, provided your mind is not affected by impure thoughts. Your thoughts helps you to live happily. Your thought kills you not to live happily. Very important is thoughts. I say one more thing. Your policyholders will forgive you your mistakes. I repeat, your policyholders will forgive you your mistakes, but they never forget you your lies or your cheats. You can explain it in Hindi. Come on.
नम्रता जी ट्रांसलेट करो.
आपके पॉलिसी होल्डर आपकी गलतियां भुला सकते, बट अगर आप चीट कर रहे हो उनको तो दे विल, वो कभी भुलाएंगे नहीं ये बात.
That's good. That is, no policyholder will believe you when once you cheat him. One you cheat him, he will never believe you. So, integrity, personal integrity is very, very important. My dear friends, now I have to say something very useful to you. See, in 2002, I took the response. I attended $1 Million Roundtable meeting first time in the year 1991. And then I thought, why not we have some type of education forum in India? Slow. Come on, tell me.
MDIT का मैंने कॉन्फ्रेंस अटेंड किया, तब मैंने सोचा कि इंडिया में क्यों ना एजुकेशन का कुछ फोरम रहे करके.
So slowly I started at the level of division. Then in 2002, I was the founder president of Life Underwriters Guild of India. When S.B. Mathur, then chairman, inaugurated. From that date onwards, every year we are conducting annual conventions. Every year attended by more than 1,000 people. And last convention we conducted at Thailand. First convention of insurance agents outside India, Thailand. And unfortunately, last year we could not conduct any convention because of, and that is Corona. This year, God willing, if the position improves, we are conducting convention in Royal Caribbean ship, starting from cruise, starting from Singapore, then Thailand, then Malaysia. 3 nights and 4 days.
बढ़िया.
Conference itself in ship.
Oh, बढ़िया.
Already 280 people have paid for it. Why I say?
चीप में कन्वेंशन रखने वाले हैं जो सिंगापुर से शुरू होगा और 3 नाइट एंड 4 डेज रहेगा और फ्री में रहेगा, खाना पीना सब रहेगा.
It's a heaven on earth. I don't know how many of you have seen cruise. I have traveled at least about 19 times in cruises. It's a heaven on earth. I tell all my agent friends, work like a dog. Work like a dog. Enjoy like a king.
कुत्ते के जैसी मेहनत करो लेकिन राजा के जैसी जिंदगी जियो.
How do you like it?
राजा के जैसी जिंदगी जियो. पकाक. Yeah.
See, unfortunately, most of the agents work like a king and live like a dog.
Oh. It is a big shot to us, sir.
That is the problem.
कुमुदिनी मैडम बराबर है ना सर का कि राजा के जैसे जिंदगी जी रहे और कुत्ते के जैसे रह रहे.
So the Lugi, what is second step we did? Education is very important. So Lugi became a part of AFINSA, an organization of 11 countries: Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, China, Macau, Philippines, Australia, New Zealand. You will be happy to know your friend Srinivasan was the secretary for 2 years and chairman of 2 years for these 11 countries based at Singapore.
वाह, बहुत बढ़िया.
So, I want to tell you, if you want to go up, you can go up. If you want to reach heights, you can reach. Everything depends upon me. Have you seen 83-year-old man going by, going around the earth for 4 hours and getting down. Have you seen it? 83-year man. So he has killed fear. All of us, let us kill the fear of failure. Let us kill the fear of failure. So that is my humble request.
Sir, again I mute all of you क्योंकि बीच बीच में some noises will there. So
Okay, I opened it. Okay,
okay.
thank you. I
Sorry
don't
for
know
distraction.
I don't know. Can we have question answers, Surendra?
Yes.
That will be they can ask in Hindi. Somebody can translate in English.
Okay.
So I will talk for another 5 minutes. Then I will allow for question answer.
You can talk. Then we will ask last
Question. Any question. You can ask any question. So I will give the information. Then we are started educational course. Fundamentals of insurance planning. Fundamentals of general insurance also. We have started one CIP. And then next course, CRIP, where investment and planning. And one more thing, when you are a part of Lugi, you get all circulars, all information, all messages. You will be surprised to know Lugi Zoom meeting was attended by our chairman 2 times within 1 year. All the managing directors, today all the 4 have attended. All the executive directors, 4 zonal managers. My dear friends, Lugi can attract anybody because Lugi is honest to the members of Lugi. As an agent should be honest. You will be surprised to know our membership is more than 3,000 agents, CLIAs, SBS, development officers, branch managers, even staff members are our members. Because they learned so much about NRI business. Today morning at Kottayam, there was a special meeting addressed by the Secretary, New Business and Underwriting, Mumbai. I invite every top official for our Zoom meeting, and we can ask questions, they will get reply. Next meeting will be when regional manager, for underwriting in South Zone, she is addressing. Why I say Lugi is also conducting Zoom meeting in Hindi also, subject to availability of members. See, we are conducting in Malayalam, we are conducting Karnataka, Candies, we are Kannada, then in Telugu and Tamil. If now only for the past 10 days, 87 members have joined. Out of that, 79 from North, Jaipur, Nainital, Amritsar, Delhi, Ahmedabad, Baroda, Calcutta, etc. So we are slowly expanding, and we are also bringing Hindi knowing teachers for teaching our course. So our course will be taught in Hindi also. Now we are doing in Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam. So we will do in Hindi also. Unless you learn, you cannot earn. Unless you learn, you cannot earn. Do you agree?
Yes.
That last sentence, can you translate? Unless you learn, you cannot earn.
जब तक तुम पढ़ोगे नहीं, आगे बढ़ोगे नहीं. पढ़ोगे इंडिया तो बढ़ोगे इंडिया. If you learn.
Now we can ask questions.
क्वेश्चंस किस को जो पूछना है तो वो अपने पूछ सकते हैं. सुनी, गौतम, गौतम, नितिन तापड़िया, और जिनको जिनको भी क्वेश्चंस पूछना है वो अपने आप को अनम्यूट करे
Zoom meeting.
और
Amaravati.
क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं। ठीक है मयूर?
Evening. Tell me.
हाँ सर, सभी को प्रोग्रेस करना है, लेकिन जैसे बड़े इंश्योरेंस जब सेल करने जाते हैं तो बड़े लोग जल्दी एंट्री नहीं देते। बिग पीपल्स डू नॉट गिव इजीली एंट्री। एवरीवन वांट टू ग्रो फास्ट, big people, big premium. How we can achieve?
It's a nice question. See, if you want to shake hands with Mukesh Ambani,
हाँ,
he will like to shake with you only if you are a big politician, or if you are a rich man, or you are connected with an industry, or you are a great foreigner. It is a human weakness to deal with people of equal cadre. So, simple thing. If you want to get big business from a big man, if you go by cycle, he will not accept you to speak even. So, every man expects to reach a certain level. See, if you ask me, years and years of total dedicated service to my clients gave me the very popular brand image, LIC Srinivasan. In Coimbatore, you go and ask any big industrialist, they will say LIC Srinivasan. That is brand image. If you create that brand image, then getting interview from any top man will be reasonably good. But for that, you have to work. You have to do service. You have to continuously do service. And remember, I have got an office of nearly about 19 people working with me. Four ladies take dictation every day. You will be surprised to know I dictate in my mobile number. I don't know how many of you use this. I will show you. Are you able to? I will show you.
No, it is flash light.
No. Huh?
Flashing.
One minute.
Chamakra.
See, you have got here, that is where you can dictate in your mobile. It's a very simple thing. It is called recorder. Now, today morning, I dictated to all my people. One dictation I will tell you, you can listen. Dictation to Regina. 7th August 21, Saturday. From P. Srinivasan to C.R. Chandramohan. Dear C. Chandramohan, regarding your policy number, etc. Sir.
Means what is this recording, sir?
Every mobile has got that. If you go to the
what about you record, means call record or something?
Now I will tell you. I dictate every day early because morning I get up by 4:05 every day.
Okay.
For 72 years I am getting up at 4:05.
Okay.
Probably most of us would not have seen that time. Am I correct?
Yes.
And I sit in my table, prayer for about 5 minutes, and then start dictation. The papers will be ready. If you come to my office, papers will be ready. I take that, I dictate like this. Tomorrow morning, I will dictate like this. Just listen to me. My dear Chandak, thank you for your kind invitation to address your Zoom meeting. I enjoyed every minute of my presence at your meeting. I saw people taking keen interest to learn and earn more. It is indeed a great opportunity for me. I love to meet you once again. I want you to enjoy the privilege of Lugi member shortly. Your good friend P. Srinivasan. A letter will be dictated. Day after tomorrow, it will come by email to you, and next day you will get a letter by courier. What kind of image you will have about me? Just tell me.
Very wonderful, very punctual person, very keen person, and
Every
personally
day,
attached
yes.
person. Hai.
Every day I dictate around 60 letters.
Oh,
In addition to this, routine letters every day I sign about 150. 200 letters every day night I should sign before going to bed.
200 per day.
200 per day. You can come and see. Papers are coming.
Oh,
I worked at the age of 83. Why not you, my dear friends? Why not you? What prevents you?
no thinking yet. Now
I want
you
you to-
sow seed, बीज डाला आपने दिमाग में, हमारे तो दिमाग में बीज ही नहीं है.
You talk to me once in 1 week, I will change you totally within 1 month.
Sir, how can manage?
Tell me, huh?
How can manage, sir, this thing?
Ah, yes, you want to, how management of time you want?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
can't-
sir.
Yes, yes.
Time management, sir.
Yes, you can't manage time. Please manage yourself. Time cannot be managed. Time is running. You can't control it. Simple thing. Time. You cannot purchase. Time. You cannot save. Time. You cannot carry forward. Only one thing you can do. Either you use your time or you waste your time. Either you use your time or you waste your time. Time is 24 hours for Narendra Modi. Time is 24 hours for me, Srinivasan. Time is 24 hours for President of America or Singapore President. You should use your time means you must have control your mind. I will get up. There is a MDRT, there is a one speaker told, if you are in the habit of getting up at 7 o'clock, get up at 6 o'clock, your business will double. 1 hour per day, 365 days per day produces more better results. In our Shastra says, we should not sleep in the bed when the sun rises. Before the sun rises, you must get up. You must get up. The sun rays should not fall on your bed. So if you want to control the time, my dear friend, get up at least at 5 o'clock in the morning. Do you understand?
Yes, yes.
Then see the magic of life.
Yes, sir.
Then,
Sir, one
Sir,
question about prospecting.
just a minute, for him, one more answer I will give.
Okay.
My dear friend who asked my time management, I will repeat it, please note it. Plan your work. Plan your work. Work your plan. Plan your work. Work your plan. As you plan, do your work. Can you translate it? Plan your work.
आपका काम क्या करने वाले हो उसका शेड्यूल बनाओ, उसको प्लान करो पहले, और फिर जो शेड्यूल बनाया उसको वर्क करो.
That's great thing. Then you can
Right.
ask next question.
Sir, nowadays you have the lots of client, but earlier days when there are no more clients, है ना, बहुत ज्यादा ग्राहक नहीं थे,
Hmm.
तो उस समय at that time how you can do prospecting and how you can reach peoples.
Very nice idea.
Huh.
You will be surprised to know that 75% of my clients are Marwadis and Gujaratis. But I don't know Hindi. See the magic of life. Because
Like
They-
this our translation now.
because all the Marwadis know Tamil.
Oh,
Because when they come to Coimbatore, it is necessary for them to learn. So if I come and stay in Amaravati for 3 months, I will learn Hindi out of necessity. See, if a Tamilian goes to Bombay for work, his wife learns Hindi quickly. This fellow learns Hindi very slowly. Do you know the reason? His wife has to learn Hindi because she has to talk with servant maid. She has to talk with Tarkari fellow. She has to talk with provision store in Hindi only. But this fellow will talk in English. So I could not learn. 75% of my clients are Marwadis and Gujaratis. Let me tell one more thing. Nobody has got guts to ask me commission. You can come and verify in Coimbatore. You
Mhm.
meet all my policyholders because they believe in my service. They don't know anything about insurance. My office takes control of anything and everything. My son is a broker in insurance. He is doing mainly general insurance and mutual funds. I do only life insurance. So, for servicing, he does general insurance. For life insurance, I do. This combination works. He is about 49, 50. But why I want to say, I gave a financial planning. Very important for success is you should prepare a financial planning for your client. What is financial planning? If he dies, you should help family. If he falls sick, you must help him. If he retires, you must give retirement pension. If he falls cancer, you should provide. If he is having any critical illness problem, you should provide. If you want to save for his wife, give him mutual fund. So, a successful agent should plan for protection of the family, protection of his retirement life, protection against diseases, protection against critical illnesses, protection against, very important is living happily. So, Lugi, through the medium of education, teaches financial planning for every individual. So, it depends on us.
Sir, what is your favorite subject? Is retirement or child education?
I combine, I will now come, one
Ah.
more thing, yes, nice question. See, I give you a combination of plans.
Mhm.
Generally, I give a combination. Depending upon the taste of the individual, nowadays, Jeevan Anand, number 1. The number of years fixed. Added to this, critical illnesses. Compulsorily, I add critical illnesses. Am I correct? Accident benefit. Am I correct?
Yes.
And then separately personal accident cover, separately cancer cover, and separate again Jeevan Arogya, now Jeevan Rakshak. This combination I give you to every, I have got prepared. If any one of you want, I will send by email my letters, but it will be in English.
Okay, okay. No problem, sir.
You can ask
that
for
much.
it.
Your English is simple and easy.
You see. So,
Ah.
what I say, finally, I conclude my letters like this. My dear friend, I want to protect your family against death. Number 2, I want to protect your entire family against any disease. Number 3, I want you to make happy living after retirement. Next, I want to see that you are totally protected against any accident. Next, I want to see that you enjoy disability benefit when the need arises. And very important, when the health policy reimbursement is not sufficient, I want to see that you get a bulk amount from LIC. All these things I give. My dear friend, I want you to allot 895 rupees per day. Just imagine, it is a peanut for you. If you allot 895, I will give you protection of 25 lakhs. Life cover, 25 lakhs. Critical cover, 25 lakhs. Accident cover, double accident, and then Jivan Raksha. When you touch his emotions, I told you to live happily, physically, mentally. I told you one more thing I did not explain, emotionally. If you want to be happy, you must have good relationship with your relations, brothers, sisters, wife, family. You should have a good relationship with your policyholders. Then you are emotionally fit. So I will come back to your question. Prospecting, you ask, am I correct?
Yes, yes.
Early days, I was also going by cycle in the morning at 6 a.m., traveling about 35 miles by cycle almost every day. 35 miles is about 55 kilometers. In addition to attending LIC office as an assistant. I joined only as an assistant in 1961. Morning 6 to 9:30, canvassing by cycle. Unknown people tap the door and say, I am Srinivasan, insurance, sir. If you need any help, I will do it. No. Okay, I will come. If I went to 10 houses, from one house, I got business. 1 by 10, 10%. Today, my chance of success is 95%. This is slow evolution. 60 years of evolution. When you start,
60 साल की मेहनत है आपकी। ये सुबह 9 से लेके तो 11 बजे तक आप सुबह 10 डोर नॉक करते थे और 10 डोर में से एक आधा डोर उनको इंश्योरेंस देता था और ये इनका कंटिन्यू 60 साल की मेहनत है। आई एम राइट?
Yes, you are 100%. So, it is, see, insurance is a tough job in the beginning. When you reach some good level, it is very easy because you are accepted by the policyholder. See, our body will not accept anything from outside. If you just give somebody blood, it will refuse. Same way, you don't accept another man unless you know him well. So, you have to wait and succeed.
जिस तरह से हम बाहर का ब्लड जल्दी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते, उसी तरह से बाहर के व्यक्ति को भी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते, इसलिए पहले उससे रिलेशन बना के ही बिजनेस होगा।
Okay, next question.
हाँ, गीता मैडम आप कुछ बोल रहे हैं? अपने आप को अनम्यूट करो, पहले अनम्यूट करो, अनम्यूट करो, आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
हाँ, अनम्यूट है।
हाँ,
Yes.
अब बोलिए।
Sir, how to get an appointment of HNI?
Good. Chennai.
सबको सर माल चाहिए, माल।
See, madam.
कम इसमें पूरा धमाल चाहिए।
Good. You asked me in English, so no problem. I mean, Geeta Sangoi. Am I correct spelling?
Yes.
Pronunciation?
Yes.
Okay. Madam, there is no person as HNI. It's all our imagination. Every man is an ordinary man with 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 mouth, everything is same. Nobody is born as a Mukesh Ambani. Nobody is born as Modi. Nobody is born as Srinivasan. everybody born as child, knowing nothing, learning something slowly. So every HNI were an ordinary. When he started his profession, Dhirubhai Ambani was only in a petrol pump. He was working as a petrol clerk. Remember, a petrol clerk loved to become a petrol bunk owner. I can understand. But Dhirubhai Ambani wanted to become a petrol refinery owner. That is his dreams. That is his dreams. We don't have dreams. We don't have dreams. We dream 25 lakhs. Why not you dream 25 crores? So when you have your dreams correctly, your personality will give a power. If you come and see me in my eyes, definitely I can impress you. Why? My thoughts are pure. I want to impress you. Same thing. When you have an occasion to meet a so-called HNI, see his eyes. See his eyes. Your face must be acceptable to him. Not that don't think that every white man, every rosy type of man will be accepted. No. Your personality is based on your health. Your personality is based on your thoughts, clean ideas, and your words will be perfect. He is impressed. I can convince. See, now I can talk to. I am talking to chairman or managing director. They believe me. They have seen my honest working for agents. That is why they respect me, not because of my business. My business is nothing compared to people in Surat or Bombay or Ahmedabad and Calcutta. But I am respected because I love my agents, because this industry depends on agents. This industry only depends on agents. You believe you are great. You think you are equally great as that of an HNI. Then see the magic. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Madam.
कुमुदिनी मॅडम काही विचारायचं तुम्हाला? पूछ लीजिए.
Good evening.
और बाकी भी किसी को जो क्वेश्चंस पूछना है कि नहीं, तो आप अपने आप का वीडियो चालू कीजिए, अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए और पूछ लीजिए. ठीक है ना? और आप सभी को एक चीज मैं बता दूं कि ये टोटली फ्री सेशन है. किसी से भी 1 रुपया कहीं पे भी लिया नहीं गया है, कोई भी लिंक के भी पैसे नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. इसलिए आपसे भी अगर किसी ने लिए होंगे तो इट इज नॉट लीगल. ओके, थैंक यू.
Come on, next question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I visited your office
When?
when LIRT meeting at Ooty.
Oh, good. I think about 25 years back.
Yes, sir. I am Thapar sir agent from Mumbai.
I see you are from Mumbai.
Yes.
I have been seeing you. You are nodding, taking that, and you are reacting. I have been seeing the Zoom. Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me.
So, we all 7 agents from our branch. We came and visit your office.
Good.
So our DO told us they contact with you, and at that time 25 people staff at your office.
Yes.
So I am so lucky today. I met you.
How many staff you have today?
I have 4 staff.
Very good. 4 staff in Bombay. Good. Very good. I am very happy. You are. I can see a lot of your success behind you.
Yeah. This is all trophies. This is all my trophy wall.
Very good. I am very happy. I am very happy. What is your question? No question?
Yeah. I have question now. During this lockdown period, this pandemic period, we can't go and meet people frequently. So how can do business?
I have done what I will tell you what I have done. Okay? See, during lockdown period, we were forced to sit inside the house. Am I correct?
Yeah.